Hello everyone, my name is Michelle and welcome to my channel. I make time-lapse videos of how I did my paintings. For this video, I challenged myself to paint a rather big painting with complicated background instead of just one subject featuring one animal with a plain background. I love the yellow flowers in this reference photo, though it really felt like a daunting task to paint this, but I decided it's about time I gave myself this challenge. To be honest, in the first 5 minutes painting this owl, I paused for a long time and didn't know how was I supposed to go about making this painting. I was on the verge of stopping and throwing away this canvas, but in the end I persisted. Actually, it all started because I had started painting the wrong way. I had been painting on wood recently, and for the first layer I used 50% Sensador and 50% liquid in the mix. Because the wood surface is smooth, I had no problem applying the paint in this mixture. I had forgotten previously when I painted on canvas, I had always painted the first layer with only Sensador in the paint. So the paint is very thin and much easier to apply on the canvas. With an equal mix of Sensador and liquid, the paint was still rather viscous. It was very hard and very slow to apply it onto the canvas. That's when I thought, what the hell was going on? Then I suddenly remembered I should not use the same approach for wood and canvas. Silly me. So then I continued with the painting. This painting was done over 3 days, totaling about 20 hours. Much attention was on the different depths of the flowers. Those which are on parallel line with the owl will be in focus, those at the back and also those nearer to the camera are out of focus. I am in love painting such effect. The wings look quite complicated to paint and I did worry about how to paint them. But like they always say, with whatever subject, we just have to break them down in shapes. We paint shapes rather than one object as a whole. That really makes it a lot easier. So I looked at how many colors are there in the wings, what shapes they are in, and not paying attention to the black and white spots first. After the base color was done, then I looked at how to go about with the black and white spots. On hindsight, I regret not pushing the grays darker for the base color on the owl. This resulting the further details with white not obvious enough. They are still discernible but not quite obvious. In the reference photo, there are way more flowers than this. But I think adding more flowers in this painting than what it was now would look too cluttered. So that's where I stopped adding the flowers. Even though I had not used pure white until now, they were close enough to white. Here I tried to add more highlights with pure white, but it's not very effective anymore. So that's where I stopped painting. What do you think? Should I have used a darker gray in the beginning? Comments down below and let me know. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye!